Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disconnect a bank account in QuickBooks. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste too much time on this one at all. Just going to give you guys a step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get straight into it. The first step is going to be to go to bank accounts. So from the left menu, select banking or transactions and then choose banking to see your connected accounts. Step 2 is to select the accounts to disconnect. Click on the account that you want to disconnect and then select the pencil icon, edit account information. Step 3 is to turn off bank feeds. Check the box that says disconnect this account on save or disconnect this account depending on your QuickBooks version. Step 4 is to save changes. Click save and close. This will stop QuickBooks from downloading new transactions from that account. Step 5 is to keep historical data. Disconnecting does not delete past transactions. They remain in your records unless you manually remove them. A pro tip is to only disconnect accounts you no longer use for business or when switching banks. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you find the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.